Henan RIUGOR transmission machinery Co.Ltd's products are mainly used in new-energy electric vehicles. It's a high-tech enterprise integrating R&D, manufacturing, sales, and service. The leading products include front-wheel drive reducers and gearboxes for high and low-speed electric vehicles of various specification, rear-wheel drive independent suspension reducers, integral reducers and gearboxes, rear axles, high precision gears, etc. The company has strong technical force, complete talent team. The company has more than 300 sets of various types of testing, production and test equipment sets and flexible processing lines and assembly lines in the production process of products, and has built 5 functional production and research and development bases for organic processing, tooth making, heat treatment, gear grinding and assembly. With provincial engineering research centers and engineering technology research centers, management teams, and high-quality industrial workers, strive to develop into a pillar enterprise of the local economy.